DCA 3 Mixed Review number 11. Greenways collected cans for the High Plains Food Bank during November. The models shown represent the fraction of all cans that 5th grade brought and the fraction 6th grade brought. What is the difference between the fraction of cans 5th grade brought and the fraction 6th grade brought? So we need a fraction for each one of these. If we look at the model for 5th grade, fractions are always what you have over the total. And so if we look at this, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 shaded. So that's going to be our numerator. And then we count all that's in the whole thing. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And so 8 would be our denominator. But if you look at this a little different and ignore some lines, you can see that half of this is shaded. 1 is shaded out of 2 in the whole thing, which would make us have a smaller number to deal with. And so I'm going to go ahead and say that 5th grade's fraction is 1/2. Now for 6th grade fraction, there is 1 shaded, so 1's our numerator, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 total, so 5's our denominator. Now, difference means subtract, so we need to subtract these two. So I'm going to take that 1/2 minus the 1/5, and I need a common denominator. Either way, whether you do the switch or you do the common multiple, you're going to find the same number as your denominator, and that's going to be 10. So the top fraction, we wind up doing 5 times 5 on both top and bottom. That gets us 5/10. And this bottom fraction, we're going to wind up doing times 2, gets us 2/10. So 5/10 minus 2/10 equals 3/10, which will not simplify and is not a improper fraction, and so that is our final answer. 3/10.